Many of us are subconsciously being derailed by deep-rooted beliefs and limiting ways of thinking that keep us perpetually stuck at the same level of life day after day, month after month, and year after year. You try and try, but somehow just cannot seem to break through. What you need is a mind shift, a new perspective, an upgraded paradigm. We encourage you to begin to use these positive words, also known as affirmations, in this video to help you form new beliefs and thought patterns, to create an abundance mindset. Please realize that this will not happen overnight. It is a process. Be consistent and committed to this journey, and you will see change. If you want to experience more abundance or more success in your life, start by shifting your thoughts with positive self-talk. I am rich, I am capable, I live an abundant life. Affirmations to shift into a wealthy mindset. I am blessed. I have the mind of Christ. I am resourceful. I am a financial strategist. I see unlimited possibilities all around me. My eyes see new ways to prosper. I have a can-do attitude. I employ wisdom to guide me. I view challenges as tremendous opportunities. I am a problem solver. I am cultivating a vision for the life I want to live. I have a plan and execute it daily. Everything I need to be successful is available to me. I am thankful for life and the surplus of abundant opportunities all around. Any limiting beliefs around money are being uprooted. I am planting new and empowering seeds of abundance. I always have more than enough money to share. I believe there is enough wealth for everyone who will embark on achieving it. I am abundance-focused, not lack-focused. I am moving strategically toward wealth and prosperity every day. I add value to the lives of everyone I come into contact with. I am a contributor of good. I am upgrading my mindset and my skill set. I learn new things to be better equipped to prosper. I make wise financial decisions that lead to prosperous outcomes. I choose to take my dreams and goals seriously. I am always in the process of continual growth and development. I make learning a priority. I am future-focused. I create generational wealth. I am disciplined with my current spending so I can create future wealth. I use my money to make more money. Opportunities for financial increase are all around me. Making money comes easily to me. It is easy to make large amounts of money quickly. My mind is shifting every day. I have a new paradigm. I am open to receiving financial blessings and miracles. I am worthy of financial freedom. I receive money from multiple and consistent income streams. I am a magnet for opportunities. I make wise investment choices and prosper. I am open to receiving abundance in every area of my life. My expectations are only positive. I take control of my thoughts and focus only on what I desire to experience. I believe in my ability to make good financial decisions. I am capable of creating, maintaining, and multiplying wealth. I have an endless stream of financial opportunities. I am grateful for the wealth that comes into my life. I do not struggle with money. I use money to serve and help others. I give generously and increase more and more as a result. Money comes to me easily and in large quantities. Those days of lack and poverty are behind me. The decisions I make today will lead to a better outcome tomorrow. I am improving my financial destiny as I change my thought patterns. I am shifting and elevating as I change my focus. I am a powerful producer of financial prosperity. Opportunities for financial success are always available to me. I do not see lack, I only see abundance. I am open to receiving wealth from unexpected avenues. I am empowered to make choices that produce great results in every area of my life. I take consistent action toward my goals and desired outcomes. I do not procrastinate on the actions that move me forward in life. I am disciplined and diligent in all that I do. I set goals and implement daily disciplines to achieve them. My mind and actions are in line with my commitment to financial abundance. I am financially independent. I am increasingly generous and look for opportunities to be a blessing to others. My motive for wealth is pure and good. I am deserving of unlimited financial success. I take full advantage of opportunities to create wealth. I invest in upgrading my mindset because I understand that my mind is my most valuable asset. I think abundant thoughts. I speak abundant words. I live with boundless acts of kindness towards those in need. I tap into the gifts and abilities within. I embrace my resourcefulness. I think well. I implement innovative ways to produce wealth. I am elevating in every area of my life. I am open to learning what I need to learn to change my situation. I am a powerful decision maker. My heart is open to see new channels through which money flows to me. I am no longer a product of my environment. I am no longer bound by my past experiences. I am shifting into a higher quality of life. Limitless prosperity is available to me. Financial success is my lifestyle. My assets are increasing. My bank account grows exponentially every day. I study the habits of successful people and implement them. I study the habits of the poor and remove those behaviors from my life. I am positioned to receive wealth. I am on the path to becoming a millionaire. I am capable of achieving limitless financial success. I'm in perfect harmony with abundant riches. I seize opportunities to increase my income. I am alive and vibrant. I take care of my health so I am able to enjoy the wealth. I am service-minded. I create assets that continually create wealth for me. I am creative and valuable. I put forth the energy and effort today for a better tomorrow. I remember my why and keep moving forward. My financial future is filled with prosperity. I am becoming wiser each day. I choose to live abundantly. I choose to break barriers. I am free from fear and doubt. I choose to believe and expect good outcomes. I will not give up. I refuse to quit. I persevere until I reach my goals. I employ the force of courage. I take steps of faith each day. I am resolute and determined. I aspire for a better quality of life. I refuse to be denied access to abundance. I have a purpose and I walk in that purpose. My mind is sound. My heart is focused. I am healthy, wealthy, and wise. If you receive value from today's video, be sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to leave a comment to be entered into our giveaways.